Hey guys, this is Mr. Cell. We're going to look at this problem, just asking which points are solutions to the equation. Now, what this is getting at is if you ever see a graph, what happens with an equation like this one is it should make a line something like this, okay? Now, if a solution, or one of the ordered pairs, is not a solution to the equation, what could happen is that you end up with a point like down here. It's just that the point is not on the line, which is why at the top it says a line on a graph represents all of the solutions to an equation. So we need to keep that in mind, what this is actually communicating to us, especially if we look at it in terms of a graph. So the first thing I'll do is start with this point, 4, 5, and just we'll write the equation just the same way that it's shown up there, but instead of having the y and the x, we're going to replace those with the values that they gave us in the ordered pair. So the x value is 4 and the y value is 5. Now I put a question mark over the equal sign just because I don't know if it's true or not. Now by doing the math here, I would probably cancel out the 4's, which would make that negative 3 plus 8. And negative 3 plus 8 does equal 5. So this then becomes a question of, does 5 equal 5? And the answer is yes, that is true. So then we go back to the original question, which points are solutions to the equation? 4, 5 would be a solution. So we're going to do the same thing with that negative 2, 3 right there. And I start with my original equation, but now I'm going to replace the x and the y value with the x and y value from this ordered pair. So the x value is negative 2 and the y value is negative 3, and we're seeing if this is a true statement. Now on this one, what would happen is the 2 and the 4 would simplify into a 2 there. I'd make the 8 a 16 halves. Of course, I would probably just put this in a calculator, but in any case, that gives me a positive 3 halves plus 16. That's 19 halves. And does that equal negative 3? This one is false. So since it's false, this one is not a solution. So we're going to do the same thing with 8, negative 4. So y equals negative 3/4 x plus 8. But again, we'll replace the x and the y value with the x in this ordered pair, which is 8, and the y value, which is negative 4. So the 8 and 4 would cross simplify to 2 there. So negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Plus 8, what do we get when we add those together? We get a positive 2. And negative 4, right? We didn't know if it was true or not. But negative 4 does not equal positive 2. That's false. So we know that 8 negative 4 is not a solution. And that completes this problem. Thanks for watching, you guys. And we'll see you in the next video.